Jason back with another video. Hope you guys are doing well. Guys, we are here. We are busy doing a clutch cable replacement on a Kia Picanto 1.1, a 2005 model. Apparently we're ripping it out. So we've taken the airbox out. We're busy taking the cable out. Don't pull that. We're getting the cable out there. The brand new cable is right here. So guys, stay tuned. We're going to put the new cable in, guys. The old cable's out, guys. The old cable is broken. We're taking it out there. We're going to install the brand new cable.
I'm holding myself back. I'm fighting inside. Some days, I'm fighting inside. Some days, I'm fighting inside. I'm fighting inside. Some days, I'm fighting inside. Some days, I'm fighting inside. Some days, I'm fighting inside.
Car's back up and running, clutch cable's in, and everything's back. All the panels, everything. First time I push it back, but okay. Hi Joe. Hey?